In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register your music on Distrokid. Before we start, a quick but important clarification. Distrokid doesn't register your copyright with the government. What it does is distribute your music to major platforms and attach accurate metadata, which publicly links your name to the release. Think of it as your digital footprint across streaming services. If your goal is to release your music properly and protect it online, this walkthrough is exactly what you need. Begin by heading to the Distrokid upload page. Upload your audio file, ideally a high-quality WAV, though MP3 is accepted. Add your cover art next. Choose a clean square image that clearly represents the track or project, and make sure you have the rights to use that artwork. Then move into the song details. This is where accuracy really matters. Enter your artist name exactly as you want it to appear, keeping spelling and capitalization consistent with any existing catalog you have. Add the song title, pick the correct genre, and set your release date. This metadata is what platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music rely on to display and categorize your music. Small typos can create duplicate artist pages or mismatched listings, so take a moment to proofread everything. Add your songwriter and production credits. Use real legal names for songwriters and include producer credits if they should be listed. These credits support ownership records and help collaborators get recognized properly. It also makes your release look professional across stores. During the upload, you'll see an option for YouTube Content ID or YouTube Money. Turning this on if available lets Distrokid detect re-uploads of your song on YouTube and monetize those uses. It's optional, but it's a helpful layer of protection and can capture revenue you might otherwise miss. When everything looks good, submit your release. Distrokid will deliver your song to streaming platforms, assign an ISRC if you don't already have one, and generate official links once it's live. Keep an eye on your release date and your email for confirmation that stores have received the track. After your release goes live, claim your artist profiles. Grab access to Spotify for artists, Apple Music for artists, and set up your YouTube official artist channel. These dashboards let you update your bio and images, pitch to playlists where available, verify your identity, and watch your stats in real time. Finally, if you want full legal protection, register your work with a government copyright office, such as the U.S. Copyright Office. That's separate from Distrokid and gives you stronger rights in a dispute.